3/8 extension, 3/8 ratchet, 15mm deep socket, 13mm deep socket, 10mm deep socket, rust penetrant or lubricant, 15mm ratchet wrench, 3/8 impact. Start by removing all clamps using a 15mm socket on a 3/8 ratchet. Using a 10mm socket on a 3/8 ratchet, remove all hangers while supporting the muffler. Continue by removing rear hangers at rear of vehicle on the tailpipes. Remove passenger side tailpipe by sliding it out of the hanger and fishing it around the spare tire. Now remove the driver's side tailpipe by sliding it out of the hanger and twisting it around the spare tire and over the rear differential. Now you can lift the muffler off of the jack and out of the way. Now remove the hangers from the factory muffler. Reinstall factory hangers on new muffler. Lift new muffler into place, loosely installing clamps and hangers support with a floor jack. Now loosely install new mid pipes that will connect the factory tailpipes to the new muffler. Do not tighten down clamps yet. Now slide factory tailpipes up into place, starting with driver's side, weaving it around the spare tire, inserting it into the new mid pipes. Loosely install clamps and hangers. Repeat for the passenger side. With the help of a friend, align tailpipes and begin tightening clamps and hangers. Your installation is now complete.